OPRA, your gateway to Australian pharmacy practice. The Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment, or OPRA, is a national examination administered by the Australian Pharmacy Council to evaluate whether internationally trained pharmacists meet the knowledge and competency expectations required for provisional registration in Australia. It establishes readiness for safe and effective practice within the Australian healthcare system. OPRA is essential because it validates educational equivalency, ensuring that international pharmacy training aligns with Australian professional standards. It promotes patient safety by confirming competence in scientific understanding, clinical judgment, and medication safety principles. The exam also evaluates practice readiness, covering therapeutic reasoning, calculations, and quality use of medicines, while providing a structured pathway for workforce integration. OPRA Exam Blueprint. The OPRA Blueprint outlines a computer-based examination consisting of approximately 120 multiple-choice questions completed over 2.5 hours. The single best answer format includes standalone questions, case-based scenarios, calculation problems, and therapeutic reasoning items, reflecting the breadth of knowledge required for practice in Australia. Terraleap.com, your complete OPRA preparation solution. Terraleap.com provides comprehensive preparation aligned with the OPRA competency framework. High-yield flashcards reinforce therapeutic facts, PBS concepts, and pharmacokinetic principles. Blueprint Map MCQs develop clinical reasoning, law knowledge, and medicines management. Calculation modules strengthen quantitative skills, while case studies mirror OPRA's integrated clinical approach, focusing on guideline application, counseling, and ethical decision-making. Your path to Australian registration success. This course highlights the structured learning pathway offered through Terraleap.com, featuring flashcards, MCQs, calculations, and case studies that collectively cover the full OPRA syllabus. By addressing all core content areas and competency domains, the platform equips internationally trained pharmacists with the academic readiness and confidence required to progress toward provisional registration and supervised practice in Australia.